What's up, boys? We're back with another reaction video, an American reaction video. I have my Dr. Pepper here, so you know I am an American. But today we're going to be checking out WRC Rally Finland 2022, I think. 2022. Crashes, action, and pure sound. But let's get into it. There we go. I want to go to something like this. Like, here in the US, we got NASCAR. I've been to a NASCAR event before. It's pretty cool. Oh my God. Buddy just flipped everything. I was actually watching a video over on my TikTok pretty recently of apparently like the best in the world at this. I think he passed away actually, like driving. I don't know what his name was, but it was insane seeing it from the driving, like the driver's seat. I think he just popped a tire. That boy is gunning it. So, from what I heard, they have the navigator in the navigation in the passenger seat, and then they got the driver. And when you hear the navigator talk, yeah, they're talking, if you know what I mean. So I think I don't think he's speaking English here, but when you hear him speak English, the navigators, they're like, left turn, right turn, left turn, curve coming up, slow down, and they're like screaming it at the driver, and he's like reacting to this stuff. It's pretty cool. Damn, man. Oh. I heard puto, and I know what that means. Doesn't mean something good, I'll tell you that. What type of car is that, by the way? I don't even know. Oh, here we go, hear it. You heard that? He was calling it out super fast. I think that was English. Sounded a little English. I'm gonna get made fun of so much in the comment section for that if it's not English. Oh God. Oh, you see the draft on that, or what's the air coming off? I think it's the draft, where it goes through the spoiler. I saw that in the last clip. That looks sick. Okay, so it's a Honda, I think? No, Hyundai? Hyundai. I want to say it's a Hyundai. I'm not the best with cars, to be honest. Like, truth be told. Damn, flip the hell. I wonder how much those cost. Gotta be expensive. So this is a Toyota, I think. That Toyota be getting after it. Oh my God. I wonder why they use like this shape of car too. I wonder if there's like a reasoning for it. Sheesh. Whoa! You got some airtime on that one. I love how they're just like in the backwoods too, probably in like the middle of nowhere in Finland. Just having a good old time. Oh, he just spun out. Uh-oh. Ooh, I like that. I like that little hop. That looks spectacular. Sheesh. I wonder what the amateur level is for this. Okay, we got a Ford. There it is. He's sponsored by Red Bull too. That's gotta be an American for sure. Ford and Red Bull? You serious? Wait, do they? Something I just noticed. A lot of them have their windshield wipers on like the whole race. Maybe not the whole race, but like they have them on a lot. Maybe when the dirt's like flying up and hitting the car, that's when they turn on the windshield wipers. Because in America, like with NASCAR, they typically build the cars like as light as possible. Like they probably wouldn't even put windshield wipers or turn signals. I don't even think they don't have lights on the NASCARs either. So it's interesting to me that they would have that type of feature on a car in a race. This is the same one as before. I love that kit on that car. It looks so cool. They got like the extended back wheels. Ooh. Yo, my man is talented. He's drifting. You see the draft just going through the spoiler. Damn, son. So, when they do this race, is it just like a timed race? Like, okay, Bob goes first, then Tim goes, then John, or are they like all on the track at the same time? Because if they're all on the, I mean, I guess it doesn't really make sense if they would all be on the track at the same time, because it's a pretty small track. You couldn't have 20 of these guys in a race just booking it down. I like when they show the angle from like the driver's point of view, because like you really don't get what they're seeing just from this point of view. Like it looks cool, but they're going like what? I'm guessing like 100, 150 miles per hour at times. Jesus. That drifting's crazy. This is the one I like the kid on. Damn, that airtime. God, you know, car fans from around the world are all the same. Like you just saw those boys sitting on the side of the track just drinking, sitting in their little lawn chairs. Like it doesn't matter. American, European, you know, Australian, African, Asian. You guys are probably surprised I know all those continents, you know? Some of us learned some stuff over here. And I'm not from the smartest state either. That was great grammar, by the way. Smartest. That guy is booking it. Oh my god. I love seeing the ending. It's like skiing. You know what I mean? Alright boys, that wraps up today's video. If you liked it, drop a comment down below. If you have any questions for me, feel free to ask. But make sure you like and you subscribe, and don't forget to take it easy, guys. Peace out.